Find features that distinguish it from other brands for SinKeu Portable Power Station, 122.8 Watt-hour. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Powerful and durable lithium iron phosphate battery. Built with UL certified lithium iron phosphate battery with 122.8 Watt-hour, 38,400 mAh, 3.2 volt capacity, this power station offers 3,500 plus life cycles and pass-through charging, which is safer, more stable, and 6x longer than lithium-ion batteries. Power your essentials anywhere simultaneously. This portable battery pack provides 150 watt continuous AC output to charge laptops, tablets, phones, cameras, drones, lights, fans, mini fridges, less 100 watt CPAP machines and more appliances while supporting multi-device charging via 1x USB-C, PD, 18 watt, 5 volt/3 amp, 9 volt/2 amp, 2x USB-A, 5 volt/3.1 amp max in total, and 2x DC ports, 11 to about 14.6 volt/10 amp max. 3 charging methods for any situation. This portable power bank can be recharged via AC wall socket about 4 hours, adapter included, 12-volt car port about 5 to 6 hours, cable included. Or 13 to 23 volt solar panel about 4 to 6 hours full sun, solar panel not included, to become a small solar generator, ideal for off-grid camping, home backup, or emergency preparedness. Lightweight and rugged for outdoor adventure. This portable charger power bank weighs just 4 pounds with a compact size of 7.5 x 4.5 x 6.5 inch, making it easy to carry for hiking, RV trips, festivals, or emergency kits. Camping essentials with emergency LED light. This battery-powered generator is built with a 3-mode LED flashlight, steady, strobe and SOS to meet your different needs, very useful and handy for a dark night both indoors and outdoors. The power supply can always help you out during blackouts, snowstorms or roadside emergencies. Safe and reliable. Built with lithium iron phosphate battery and BMS for safety and longevity, the portable generator for home use is equipped with multi-protection, including overloading, overcharging and over-discharging, overheating, and short circuits. Besides, the digital display offers real-time power monitoring. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.